Hello, my name is Riley with Follett Tech Service. Today we're going to be installing a self-contained ice machine on a wall mount bracket. First thing we want to do is install our drain fitting in the correct orientation. Start by putting Teflon tape on the threads. Now we're going to install our drain nipple. This drain is going to go out of the center of the machine, so we want to make sure that we locate it correctly. Now we can take our louver docking station and slide it in place on our wall mount bracket. Now you want to secure your docking station. In this case, I'm going to use the bolts that were provided with the wall mount bracket. Add some petrol gel to the hose barb for the drain. Make it easy to slide on. Now that we picked up our ice machine and slid it into the louver docking station, we're only going to slide it in about halfway so we can make our utility connections. Remove the screw on the louver docking station where the electricals go through. Route your cord through the hole in the louver docking station. Once the cord and panel are in place, you're going to put the screw back in. Now we're taking our 3/8 line, connecting to our shutoff valve, making sure that we have enough line here so that when we pull the machine out for service, you don't stress your water feed solenoid. Now we're going to connect our cleaning cup to the louver docking station. Now we can push back our ice machine into the louver docking station. If your ice machine is all the way into the louver docking station, this metal tab should be flush with the base. Now we're going to connect our ice transport tube to the louver docking station. From there, we're going to run our ice transport tube out of this fitting to our appliance. We have another video in the video library showing you how to run that ice transport tube. Using the silicone tube that's provided with the unit and the fittings, we're connecting to a 1-inch standpipe to the machine. After we have our ice transport tube connected to the back of the louver docking station, we're ready to plug the machine in. Then we're ready to turn on our ice machine, and you're going to follow that with a 10 to 15 minute production test. After the production test, you're going to leak check the unit just using a brown paper towel. There is a video for the ice production test in the video library. After you completed your production test and your leak check, you're going to slip the cover back on. Install the screws at the bottom of the cover to keep it secure. Now you're ready to put your vent cover on. And now you're complete.